what can I say, Edmonton? You're always good to us. And whilst we enjoy our time here, sad to say, it's time to go home. Because I'm not gonna lie, I miss Grande Prairie. I miss home. I'm tired of all this driving across. But nonetheless, Edmonton, you've been good to us. So I want to say thank you again to all the persons who make us feel so welcome every time. You shout out to yourselves. The Anglins, thank you guys for always being available. The Fullers, even though we recently met you guys, it feels like we've known you guys for a long time. The Powells, Rochelle, Ray, you know, the link is always real from day one. And all the persons who we didn't get to meet, we meet you in spirit, right? The next time we are here, we'll try to do a meet and greet. Drop a comment and let us know if that's something that you'd want to see, because we are fearful that we'll plan a meet and greet and no one will show up. So please let us know if that's something that you want, and the next time we're here, we'll make sure to make it happen, right? Now, as I said, we've been here for a couple of days. It's been really wonderful, even though it's been really rainy for the period of time, but it's time to go home. So this is your going back to Grande Prairie vlog. So if you're new here, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Yeah, you hit
that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, comment, drop a comment in the comment section.
And just let us know that you guys are here. Alright? But before we hit the street, we're gonna have to go and get gas. So let's go and get some gas and then hit the stretch back to the big city of Grande Prairie. See you guys on the road. So Mrs. Anderson, as we hit the stretch back to Grande Prairie, what are you looking forward to the most?
Oh, in my bed, my own bed. First thing. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
What do you think about Edmonton over the period? I know we've been there lots of time, but...
I love Edmonton. It has a little soft spot in my heart. Where I don't like the driving for 30 minutes. I don't like that. 30 minutes go and 30 minutes back. I don't like that. It's too much time on the road.
Even though you're not the one driving.
Yes. I get tired of sitting in the passenger seat.
Yeah, me too. Like, honestly speaking, that's the biggest part of living in Grande Prairie that I think not only us but a lot of persons don't want to give up. The convenience. Everything is 10 minutes away, 5 minutes away. So when we put it into our GPS and we see 30 minutes, 35 minutes, we're like, no, this is too much. But I don't know, I think I'm with you. Edmonton do have a soft spot in my heart. And I think that really and truly, if we should leave Grande Prairie, we'll be living in Edmonton. And you know what? Edmonton always shows so much love. Edmonton, you guys make us feel like we're celebrities, man. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Grande Prairie don't appreciate it. They don't. They treat it like oh, go on. But every time we come to Edmonton, it's like we feel the love, and we feel it. Like, honestly, guys, we feel it so deep down, and the love is always reciprocated. So we just want to say again, thank you.
You don't have a stop sign.
Oh. I'm not the road that while ago. That becomes my right away.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I?
Oh my gosh. Even though it's raining, we have to out here doing it. What's the cost of gas here? I don't even remember seeing the sign. I want to show you guys. I don't know, guys. I don't know. The point I'm trying to make is, rain or shine, you have to pump your own gas. So if you're from a country that has someone to pump your gas for you, be very grateful, because if or when you choose to migrate to Canada, you have to do it yourself. So the process of pumping your own gas is always the same. You pop in your card. Would you like a car wash? No, I do not want a car wash. $75 because I want to fill up at the tank. Check-ins account, that's where it's coming from. Maximum, enter your PIN. This is the part where everybody's waiting to see what my PIN number is. What is it? Yeah, sorry guys. I show you guys a lot of things, but I just can't show you that part. Please remove card. Thank you very much. I am not a member, so okay. One moment, please. Begin fueling. Okay. Open. Here. Regular gasoline. Oh, there's a Tim's right there. We're gonna go and get some coffee. Yeah. We're gonna go and go there and get some coffee. Sounds like a plan. Yes guys, so I didn't take the exact $75 because I had some gas in there already. So it only cost me like $52. This wrote up for $52. There we go.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
Alright, could I get a medium French vanilla and a medium ice cap?
Medium French vanilla and medium ice cap?
For sure. I'll also take a sausage farmer's wrap.
I'm sorry, I don't have the hash browns right now. I can only do like a classic wrap. I don't have the hash brown.
Yeah, I'll take the classic wrap then, for sure.
Sorry, a classic wrap is fine?
Yeah, that's fine. And I'll take a bagel, cinnamon.
What kind of classic breakfast wrap would you like? Sausage?
Yeah, sausage. Yeah.
Sausage, classic wrap, and
I'll take
what kind of bagel?
2 wraps or 2 bagels? I'll take 2 wraps actually. Sorry about that.
So 2 sausage breakfast wraps?
Yes. Do you have any quencher?
Quencher?
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, what was that?
I was asking if you have any quenchers.
What kind of quencher would you like?
What are the options again?
We have peach, strawberry watermelon, blackberry, mango, starfruit, wild berry.
I'll take a strawberry watermelon.
What type?
A small.
Small, anything else?
No, that's it, thank you.
So a medium French vanilla, medium ice capsule, sausage breakfast wrap, and a small watermelon quencher.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, do you need a drink tray?
Yes, please.
Sorry?
Yes, please.
Okay, Travis, please.
Thank you.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up.
Yeah guys, so we're just waiting on our food. We're waiting on our food right now. Then we're gonna hit the road back to Grande Prairie. If you guys have a time already, that's it, thank you. Actually take another straw. Another straw. And napkin, yeah. And napkin. Have a good day, thank you. As I was saying guys, if you guys haven't already subscribed to our channel, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. We are about to start a 5-hour journey to Grande Prairie. We can't take you guys on the journey in its entirety, but we'll do our best to show you guys bits and pieces. So if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and drop a comment, alright? See you guys out there.
Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got. And I know you'll make mistakes, get interference and lose your way. Find the light when it rains. change. Time is up. We can wait for better days.
If you ever wonder if your life is gonna be transformed, use us as testimony, guys. And I say that to say this, that it doesn't matter where you are in your life right now. Just keep faithful. I know that a better day is coming. Because not tonight here, we're driving back to Grande Prairie, and it's like I almost get an epitome, like just a reflection of where we're coming from. When we just started dating, 2012, 2013, that's like over 10 years ago. At that point in time, I didn't even own a driver's license, guys. I didn't own a car. We used to take bus, we used to take the taxi everywhere. Oftentimes I could go in and date, and you know, we can't stay too late because we have to wonder like what time the bus is gonna stop running and stuff like that. And now we find ourselves here driving in our own car, going to our own house in big foreign. Guys, believe it or not, tell you that anything is possible. Anything at all in this life is possible, right? It's not where you start. Believe me, it's not where you start, guys. But it's just having the right mindset and the right determination, and you will definitely get to the destination that you want to get to, because this was all a dream. This was all a fantasy at one point in time, guys. This was something that we wouldn't even have imagined that would have become a reality. And for other persons, this is no big deal, because this is what they have become accustomed to, like, forever and ever. But we weren't those family that were, well, I didn't born with a gold spoon. Nasa wasn't born with a gold spoon. I didn't have a family to teach me to drive from an early age. Access to cars. I didn't have that. Every single thing I had to do on my own. I had to learn to drive on my own. I had to purchase my first car on my own. Every single thing I had to do on my own. So I count this as a win. I count this as a win, knowing that, okay then, it's not about where you started. And I used to make a lot of excuses as well, because I didn't get my driver's license until I was around 24, 25 years old. That was when I got my first driver's license, and at that point in time I felt like a bit of a fail, if I'm being honest, because other persons who I know would have had their driver's license from 17, 18 years old, but I didn't get it until I was like 25. And I used to make a lot of excuses that, oh, I didn't have somebody to teach me to drive, or I didn't have any access to this. I used to make a lot of excuses. But the older I got, I realized that it's really in my control. It's my life. I have to take control, and I have to take responsibility for the outcome of my life. And that is when I decided to do things on my terms. So I started even paying for driving lessons. All of those stuff that people get for free, I started investing in myself. And you know, and I always say that slow progress is better than no progress, because at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what the excuses are. The only thing that's gonna happen, that's gonna matter at the end of the day, is the result. Just the result. The result is the only thing that's gonna matter. How did you finish? What happened in the end? What a big shot in the back of me, I'll move like a... Anyways, the only thing that's gonna matter is the outcome. So no more excuses, right? Your present situation is there, but don't let it limit you. Don't let it stop you from going out there and achieving a full potential. And I just wanted to take an opportunity to say that, right? It's not a preaching session, but I want you guys to understand that life is a constant revolving wheel, and you have to keep turning with it, right? Don't allow your life to pass you by creating excuses of why you can't do something. Just go out there and do it. We're still on the road, guys. Back to Grande Prairie.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
We've been driving so far like an hour and a half, and we're in the middle of nowhere, and Grande Prairie is still 387 kilometers away. I have no, well, I don't know where we are at. We're just in the middle of nowhere. But still a fair bit to go, guys. Let's do it. If anybody know about traveling with kids, you know what's going on right here. Oh man.
Maria, how will I take this book? You're gonna sit on here, right?
Malika?
Here.
We're almost at Whitecourt, guys. Probably 20 minutes outside of Whitecourt. 20 to 30 minutes outside of Whitecourt now, so that's good. Quick change stop. Pit stop.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
So guys, we are now in the town of Whitecourt. Now Whitecourt is located roughly 2 hours outside of Edmonton and approximately 2.5 hours away from Grande Prairie. Now Whitecourt is one of those small towns that there's always opportunity as well. Population is roughly 10,000 people, 8 to 10,000 people, and it's growing exponentially because of its location to Edmonton. So Whitecourt is a city that I definitely recommend you should check out.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, we're playing songs on the radio. Sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo highways. Brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you.
Yes guys, so we're at our first real rest stop. We've been driving for over 3 hours. My legs are cramped. My legs are cramped. Probably been driving for like 3 hours 15 minutes now. Closer to 3 hours 30 minutes actually. We stopped in between like for like a minute or so to do different things, but this is the first time I really stopped in to take like a 10-minute break. So this is just one of the many rest stops that's around the journey. This one is between Fox Creek and Valley View. Malika stretching, hands up, hands up, hands down, hands up. Next hand, hands up. Whoa, Charlie, turn it around. Turn it around. All right, jump. Get the blood circulating. Jump. Jump. Hands up. Stretch your legs. Watch out with the other. Stretching time. If you're wondering where her sister is, oh, Malia, wake up, babes. Malia, wake up. Come on, stretch. Come on, stretch. Take it out, Malia. Come, mama. She was sleeping. Come on, stretch your legs, baby. Whoa. No, my sister. Come, Malia. Your turn. Hands up. Wakey, wakey. Hands up. Stretch. Whoa. Stretch. 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 Hands up. Hands up, Malia. Hands up, Malika. Hands down. Jump. Jump. Circle hands around. Bring your hands around like this. Malia, bring your hands around like this. Nuts, hands up. Hands down. You see the truck?
Yeah, I see truck.
Okay. Stretch those legs. Get the blood flowing.
Yeah, I see train.
What do you see?
I see train.
That's not a train, that's a truck. It's just a really big truck. It looks like a train? Okay. Yes, guys, so we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit and then we hit back the road. If you're still here, please take a second to subscribe, like, and comment. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt this video, but I have something I want to share to you guys very quickly, I promise. So guys, you may have noticed that we have been doing a lot more traveling than usual, and that's something that we decided to do this year so we can show you guys different parts of Canada, right? Now, in order to do this, guys, we're asking for your support. So if you have an area that you want us to visit, of course within reason, we have a GoFundMe, the same GoFundMe that we have created, that you guys can contribute to it if you want to help us, support us to do more traveling so we can show you guys different parts of Canada. This is something that we are very passionate about and we want to be able to do it. But it's very expensive, as you know, because traveling in Canada is expensive. So we would love your support to make this dream a reality. Also guys, while I'm interrupting the video, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please take a second and subscribe, because that's also support us. Give us a thumbs up, because that's also supporting us, and drop a comment. Let us know what you think about the video that you're watching. Again, so this is wrap that was bought in Edmonton, Tim Hortons. I'm just getting a chance to eat this. Everybody's changed, everybody's ready to go again. We only have like an hour and a half left on the journey anyway, so we're almost home. But I'm hungry right now. Not so piece syrup. Time to eat back the road, guys. Time to eat back the road. See you guys on the road. Over the SO there. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, we bought gas in Edmonton before starting the journey. We had a full tank of gas then. We actually have half tank of gas remaining, exactly half tank, but I'm just gonna fill it back. We only have an hour to go. We're in Valley View. Valley View is located just 1 hour outside of Grande Prairie, so we basically reach home. Once we reach Valley View, we call it that we reach home. So just gonna fill up at the tank and cruise go in. Alright, as you guys can see, we got all the good weather over here in Grande Prairie. For watching from Edmonton, ha ha ha. Okay guys, so the cost for gas at this pump is $1.63.9 per liter. So $1.639, that's per liter. That's not bad at all. I'm not sure what the price per liter was in Edmonton, but that's what it is here. We're just popping in another $40 to get it back up full. Let's go and buy some snacks. Yes guys, we also have some roadkill. Just gonna get rid of it. Yes guys, we also have some roadkill. Roadkill is some bugs. Get rid of it. As you guys can see, the gas is back on full. We can go another 760 kilometers. Luckily we only have like 100 to go, so we're almost there. Good news and full.
Yeah, we're handful.
Snacks is here.
Gatorade, orange juice. About 1.5 liters.
Gatorade too.
Chips.
Oh, no, me so well.
It's not you. I'm sorry. Which one of the chips you want?
That's how you ask for chips. That is all you ask for chips.
How do you ask for chips?
Okay, you'll get chips shortly.
This one you want? Or the Doritos?
This one? Okay.
You gonna share with sister?
No.
Why not? You have to share with
You're
sister
going
at
to share
all
with
times.
sister.
Okay, beautiful day here. Almost home. See you guys probably when we reach Grande Prairie.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. This is all we got. Show me love. Show me life. Show me love. This is all we got. Sometimes life will push you down. make you fall onto the ground. But I know.
Yes, guys, that's that good old Grande Prairie here. Good old Grande Prairie, fresh air, smoke here, depending on the day. But we are back in our city, guys. We are back home. Well, we haven't reached home yet, but we are in Grande Prairie, so technically we're almost home. The journey was not that bad coming back. Nice, smooth journey. Rain in patches, but Grande Prairie is very sunny. And as we got like an hour and a half outside of Grande Prairie, the weather got good. So hopefully you guys enjoy this journey to our city. If you guys do, please let us know in the comment section and by smashing a like on the video. If you guys haven't already subscribed, please take a second to subscribe. Really helps us out. There you have it, from Edmonton Alberta to Grande Prairie Alberta. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around.